Jesus.
I have hips now. What do you expect? Hello guys. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. You guys all know me. So here is my brother. Introduce yourself to us, please.
I'm Patrick.
I'm Cecilia.
Okay. So today we are going to be playing the Never Have I Ever game.
Drums rolling, drums rolling.
We are happy. So because we are all bored at home, I will just select to do something.
I'm not bored, though.
Do you think I'm bored?
I'm not bored.
Oh, yeah, sorry, now my bad.
Spirit man with the word of God.
Anyways, I hope you have fun. Keep on watching and let's have fun together. Okay? They say they are not bored, but let us just play the game. Never have I ever wanted to be one of the Kardashians.
Anyway. Never. Never.
You can say the never. I have.
Never.
Always.
Never.
Okay. Never have I ever dressed as the opposite sex. Hell no.
No.
Never.
Never.
I have.
You have dressed as the opposite sex before?
I have.
Jesus.
Kiss like just like this.
Never. Never. Okay. Never have I ever washed SpongeBob SquarePants. I don't know what that is.
I have.
I have.
I have never.
I have.
Oh, you even know the song. I think my friends are always teasing me about this SpongeBob stuff.
I'm just scrolled past the SpongeBob SquarePants.
I know. I think I used to see it, but I've never like sat down to watch it. So never have I ever pretended to know a stranger. Never have I pretended to know a stranger.
Never have I ever pretended
to know a stranger.
Yeah.
I think me, I see people I know and I pretend I don't know them. So, never. Never for me. Push your your hand is not sure. Never have I ever missed a high five. I have. I have. Never have I sang in the shower. Always.
I'm just selling deal in my bedroom.
So before we continue, I'd like Precious to say something about himself, school-wise and all.
Okay. I can say I'm shy. I'm shy when it comes to cameras facing towards me. So I'm trying to compose myself so as not to, you understand now, not to mess up this whole video. Actually, I'm a cool guy. My name is Patrick, preferably Pato or Pat.
Yes.
So basically, you can call me any of that. And I'm a lover of God. I love God so much. Then the most interesting part, I'm Chelsea. I support Chelsea Football Club.
A Chelsea
fan of Chelsea Football.
This is okay. Club. I'm very sure they are bored already. Let us continue.
How would they be bored? I don't understand.
I'm just saying he's all praising himself and everything.
Praising himself. He's talking about himself. He's not praising himself. He's telling them about himself. Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Never have I sent someone a naughty pics.
Oh yeah,
the truth.
Child of God,
and nothing but child of God. You have lover of God.
You have.
Okay. Never have I played Candy Crush.
I have.
I have never.
But
I'm not freaked about that shit.
I have.
I don't understand.
What is Candy?
Candy is food. Candy is sweet.
My sister is always playing that. I'm like, what the hell? Every damn time.
I have again. And I will continue to have.
Okay. Never have I ever pretended to laugh at a joke I didn't get. I have.
Severally.
Almost all the time.
We have. And we will continue.
Never have I cried for no reason.
Never.
I have. I'm a drama queen. So dramatic. Never have I received a lap dance.
Guilty.
Yeah.
Man
My
of God.
birthday.
Man
My
of
birthday
God.
with me now in
Me?
Lagos.
I was not there.
You're not there.
She was,
I
don't mind her.
haven't.
I won't have the clips if you need it. Just there.
Never have I ever taken a sexy selfie.
Sorry.
I have.
Oh, woman, never. Okay. Oh. Never have I ever had a friends with benefits.
My God.
I don't know. We're praying together.
You don't know.
we're praying. We're always together. I understand. Friends with benefits. We'll go together. We study the word of God. That kind of stuff.
Wow.
Friends with
That kind of
benefits.
friend.
Yeah, that kind of friends with benefits. Never have I ever kissed a stranger.
A stranger. What kind of stranger? Where did he come from?
A stranger.
We just met today. I think.
You guys should say the truth and nothing but the truth. Okay. Oh. Never have I ever flashed someone.
Plenty
Every
times.
time.
We have.
I have.
Yeah.
Never have I ever had a threesome.
God forbid. Gross. Disgusting. I say God forbid.
Never have I role played.
Rope.
Roll.
50 Shades of Grey.
Yes, that kind of role play. Baby,
Precious, you
yeah.
have.
No, not that
I have. Jesus,
not
precious.
that kind of replay. I talk where you have to
What were
just
you?
do a
It's
stage
50 Shades
play.
of Grey.
A
Rope
stage play.
play.
No,
Why you have to do a
50
stage
shades.
play?
No, it's 50 shades.
Not really 50 shade. Like when you want to do, then you now have to get on
Okay,
the
get
car,
no.
get
on
to
the
a
car,
role, get to a
getting
character like housemaid,
Yes.
like sexy housemaid.
Yes, all those kind of this thing. Just
No.
look on.
No, I misunderstood the question.
Or nurse.
No, I misunderstood.
Okay, next one. Never have I ever been caught looking at someone naughty.
I've not been caught, but I've done it. Sha.
I have.
I've done it, but
My
never have I been
friends.
caught.
My
I've been
friends.
caught.
Mm.
I've been caught.
I've not been caught.
Okay, the next
Who
one.
did it, sir?
So the next one. Never have I ever had a crush on a co-worker. Crushing is free. I can crush on anybody.
Crushing is free.
Yes.
Yeah.
Never have I ever taken a shower selfie.
Oh, shower self. I don't know what that
You're in
is.
the shower now and you're snapping yourself
No.
naked.
Unfortunately, I don't have no water.
Someone is shower.
Never have I ever been shy in the bedroom. What am I shy of? I don't understand.
Shyness. Lord of the shies.
Okay.
I have.
Never have I ever fallen in love at first sight.
I think.
The better I do
Never.
there exist.
I have.
Yeah.
No wonder.
No one that
Witness.
was. Never have I ever been dumped.
Dumped. I have. I've been dumped.
I've
Shamelessly.
been dumped. Dumped like a refuse bin. Tap. Hey, never have I ever hooked up with someone I met online.
Hooked up.
With someone I met online.
Never.
I have.
What about hook up like?
Never have I ever said I love you to someone. On a regular.
Why?
I love you, sis.
Love you.
I love you, bro.
Yeah, slow.
I tell my mom every time I love her, so I have.
Never have I said I love you without meaning it. I have.
Plenty times. Plenty times.
Plenty.
Numerous times.
I just tell you I love you
Different
sometimes to leave me alone.
Yeah.
I have.
I love you to go away.
Never have I ever dated someone for more than a year.
Jesus.
For more than a year.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing, but it's like we're just there.
For a year.
But yeah, I've consciously dated somebody
once.
for like 3-4 years.
You say once. Okay.
It's too much.
Never have I ever spied on an ex online.
No, don't. Online spy.
Never spied on your ex before to see how she's doing. To know if she has moved on, or to know if she has
I
another
don't
man,
care.
or if she's fine, or if she's suffering after you left her.
I don't spy. I don't have trust issues.
Never have I ever flirted with someone when I was taken. Okay, so stop.
I have.
Okay, and our last question. Never have I ever picked at someone else while they were changing.
Jesus.
Where they were changing.
Girl or boy? The sex doesn't matter, right?
Opposite sex, obviously. Precious.
Okay.
I have.
Ah, we are. Alright.
Okay, guys. I hope you guys had fun. You know, just wanted to like spice it up and share something fun since we are all staying at home. And you know, I decided to do this with my siblings, my elder sister, and my younger brother.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you. Woman, do you have any words to say to my subscribers? Any words
of you, and we want you to keep watching. We have more very, very beautiful content for you that you can learn from and grow with. So please subscribe and keep watching this channel. Thank you.
Yes, guys, subscribe, get us growing. Us, remember, this channel is for us, me and you watching. This channel is for us. Please subscribe, share with your friends. You guys know I give detailed tutorial, makeup tutorial, and yes, let me know what you guys think about this video. Leave your comment in the comment section. If you want to see more of these fun videos, let me know in the comment section. And yes, thank you for watching. Precious, do you have anything to say?
Keep watching. I'll give you a minute to subscribe. So
click on the button.
Subscribe. So subscribe. Stay tuned to this channel. More of this love stuff from us.
Yes. Thank you, guys. Bye.